This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Xbox One is on and updated, and your router and modem show healthy status lights. Power cycle the modem and router. This clears transient network faults and often restores DHCP assignments. Once done, make sure you know the exact Wi-Fi password and position the console closer to the router or switch to 5 GHz for less interference. These steps eliminate common external issues, so you can diagnose the console itself without noisy variables. You now dive into the Xbox network menu and run the built-in connection test to capture error codes and latency numbers. If you use Ethernet, inspect the cable and swap ports to rule out physical faults. Wired is simpler and more reliable. For Wi-Fi, reconnect to the SSID, re-enter the password, or clear the alternate MAC address to remove stale hardware entries. Make sure to record results. Knowing exact error speeds troubleshooting and tells you whether the issue is DNS, NAT, or packet loss. For stubborn problems, change the console to manual DNS, Cloudflare or Google, because slow DNS can block services. Check NAT type in network settings. If strict, enable UPnP on the router or forward Xbox Live ports, including 3074 TCP/UDP, to improve connectivity for multiplayer. Once done, test another device on the same network to determine whether the ISP or your router is at fault. If issues persist, note error codes and contact your ISP with those details for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.